Introducing the Merkle internal latch locks. PA series for two-stage bottom last ejection. Let's dive into the PA series latch lock construction. Take a closer look at the main components: the fixed latch body, the retainer, and the latch bar. Here, observe how the latch body remains fixed, while both the latch bar and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. During the initial stroke S1, the retainer and latch bar move together. After S1, the latch body releases the latch bar to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The latch bar is mounted on the bottom ejector plate. The retainer is mounted on the top ejector plate. And the latch body is mounted on the fixed support plate. Here's the mold base in action. As the parting line opens, the stage is set for ejection. Initially, both ejector plates move together for the first stroke, S1, enabling the lifters to release the undercuts. In the second stage, the bottom ejector plate continues independently, completing the final stroke to eject the part. In this sectional view of the mold base, observe how the latch locks control the movement precisely, facilitating an accurate two-stage bottom last ejection process. Here's a close-up view of the latch lock in action. Notice how it holds both ejector plates together during the first stroke. Then, the latch body releases the latch bar, allowing the bottom ejector plate to complete the final stroke independently.